For the first time ever, two Swedish titans meet in a head-to-head challenge. A quarter-mile drag race and a classic duel around the Mantorp track in Sweden. Volvo Trucks recently presented its record-breaking high-performance truck, the Iron Knight. The holder of 2 FIA World Land Speed records. Its monster engine delivers 2,400 horsepower and 6,000 Newton meters of torque, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.6 seconds. Driving the Iron Knight is the Swedish truck racing legend Börje Överbrink. And now, standing by its side, is the winner of the FIA World Touring Car Championship race in Shanghai, China, the Volvo S60 Polestar TC1. With a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine delivering 400 horsepower and 470 Newton meters of torque, it accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in the exact same time as the Iron Knight. And ready to take off is the Swedish racing driver Ted Björk, who recently claimed his first WTCC victory. First up is the drag race, a quarter of a mile, or to be more precise, 402 meters. Over this distance, the Iron Knight should have the advantage, but will the pouring rain hold the powerful truck back?
The strip is clear. Drivers ready.
A close call for the Iron Knight. The final challenge is the duel on the racetrack. To even it up, we let both drivers do a time trial. The difference confirmed a head start for the Iron Knight.
Iron Knight ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
With a distance of 3,125 meters, the Mantorp Park track qualifies as a classic racing circuit. In other words, exactly what the Volvo S60 Polestar is designed for.
Polestar ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
Another close call for the Swedish Titans, but this time the Volvo S60 Polestar managed to level the score. This head-to-head challenge was set up to showcase the cutting-edge technology and world-class engineering that Volvo stands for. Two extreme power vehicles united by the mark on the grille.